welcome back. Things have started. It's Black Friday. I'm not going to go to the store and buy the piece of plywood I need for the ramp. I don't have a spare piece of plywood the right size. The only spare piece I have over here is a beautiful piece of very high-end Baltic birch. Well, I'm not going to turn that into a ramp for the pod. So I'm clearing things out, boxing things up. My plan right now is to put all this stuff into the pod. I'm going to take everything out of these drawers, shelves, put the shelves in there, put these back in so I have access to hardware whenever I need it. That's all my hardware. Then the welder, the bandsaw over there, out of the way, clear out this entire space, cabinets over there, everything. And then go get the new cabinets, which are going to come from not Craftsman. They're coming from Harbor Freight. There's two Yukon 46-inch long 9-drawer cabinets I'm getting that are going to go over here with a butcher block on top, 8 foot. And on this side of the chop saw will be 6 foot of butcher block. So there we are. So let me bring in my little action-y cam-y thingy, my sports cam. Stick it up on the mount, and let's do a little bit of that high speed I was talking about, or what do you call it? Time lapse we're talking about. All right, let's get going. So the wall is pretty much cleared away, all the junk and stuff, tools, whatever. I have to wrap up all of the clamps and put them into the pod. I have to add a couple of more sheets of plywood to the wall for attaching the cleats. I'm going to take a break right now. So next time you see this, that wall should be completely cleared and 2 more pieces of plywood would be in place to hold my cleats. So until then, make great things out of wood.